Hey guys, welcome to TZ YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hover effect in PowerPoint. It is an easy way to show and hide an object by moving the mouse over another object. So here I'm going to put a map which information will pop up to give more to explain more about the places. So first we're gonna make buttons to hover on. That way whenever we hover on it, it goes to the next slide, which the information is. Okay, so here we're gonna insert the shapes, oval, and here's our button, which I'm going to place right here to indicate this place. Okay, now with a right click I'm going to duplicate the slide, and like I said, whenever we hover on it, over it, it goes to the next slide where the information is. So here we're going to have to insert the information. So here's our information, which is right beside the button. Okay, so that way the information disappears whenever we take the mouse off the button. We're gonna have to do some action. So let's start with doing the action for the button. So insert, then action, and then we'll go to mouse over, hyperlink to, and then we're gonna choose the second slide, because like I said, it's gonna go to the next slide where the information is. Okay. Now, on the second slide, we're going to do the same thing. So then whenever you move the mouse off the button, it touches the map, and the map will send it back to the first slide. So mouse over, hyperlink to, like usual, and then we're going to choose the first slide. Okay. Now, we're going to change the color of the button in shape format. Well, this is totally optional. And now we're gonna hide the slide, so it won't be visible unless you hover over the button. Okay, now you can add as many buttons as you want. And every single time you add a button, you have to always add it to every single slide. And every single time you want to add another button, you have to create a new slide. So I'm going to show you one last example. Now I made a second button, so now we can test it. It works. That's it for today. Hope to see you next time. Bye! Thank you for watching!